to the mix, and we have Maxine here, and Maxine is reviewing Ashanti'S tape that he did alive, and so she's reviewing his tape, and this is what she has to say. You have to go ahead and listen carefully to what she has to say. Now, also remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel because this keeps the channel growing. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful one.
Big up woman like you know one thing na your blood clot lie. Boy, yeah, come on and I tell lies. It's blood clot lies you think you're get me take. Up to tell people them I'm hungry. Cash up, hungry and blood clot. Yeah, big life. What the fuck on more? You know what I mean? Which by your blood clot woman from. Social media about know me, but nobody don't know if you know me have blood clot, nothing nasty woman. Nothing nasty woman, them soon kill your mobile. Them soon kill you because your son kills so much blood clot people. Can't catch quarry, catch him shot. Your son killed so much blood clot people to the dump of them torment him and take him blood clot 2 foot them Maxine. The dump of them say 1 foot never blood clot good enough them take the blood clot 2 foot Maxine. The dump of them take Omar blood clot 2 foot all them blood clot people that were Omar killed. Yes, the dump of them twice.
Why him wear diapers and pad? Because he has a stomach problem, and because they've messed with his butt so much, he bleeds a lot. If you notice when he's sitting down, he can't stay one place. He has to be moving all around. That's because it's so uncomfortable for him. You might think I'm kidding, and I'm not kidding you. His behind bleed like women normally have their period. That's how bad his situation is. He's a Batman undercover. He is a Batman undercover. They messes his butt. His butt is messed up. Messed up really, really bad. And that's why I have to supply him every month with diapers and pads. He stole every bit of pad that my daughter have there. Not one pad. When him leave there, my daughter don't have one pad left. In turn pan the tampon them. Yeah, in turn pan the tampon them. Me have to treat him like a patient. He lie down pan a eating pad. Like every so often. He's messed up. So all you hear in there, they laugh and they go on, a guilty laugh in the go on with. No listen to it. No, Barbisha, I swear God to you. Listen to me when I'm talking to you. He cannot sit for 1 minute straight. Notice when he's doing his life, how he either moving up and down, turning up and down, here, sit there, cut sideways. Oh, no, notice things, you know. Let me teach you how to notice things. You know, a blogger, you know, upcoming blogger, how to notice things. You know, sit on one place, he can't sit on one place, in behind under fire. Me know because he living at the house with me. Me know send they wear pad, me know send they wear pampers. Me know. In behind bleed all the time. I'm telling you. And he nasty. Nasty. So you have to walk behind him and clean up. Yeah, you always say giggle and something that you can know the guiltiness upon him, the pain. Yeah.
Come on, you know what no work more than $2,000 in you. You not get back nothing. You show a cocky partner, you not get no blood clot trap. Oh, you give me $2,000. I can't pay for cocky and stuff. You have to come blood clot better than that.
Like what Janet did.
Look how your blood clot shape. Oh, you give me $2,000. I not get no blood clot cocky partner trap. All people. You not get no blood clot cocky partner trap. You not get back nothing. Oh, you give my blood clot $2,000. You want back $2,000. You not get back nothing. You show a cocky partner, you not get no blood.
Ashanti, you want bet me say me get back me 2,000, me over $2,000 from you? You want me and you place a bet right now? Say me go after you for me $2,000 because I scam you scam me away from me. Ashanti, me and you know in no business. Why am I paying you all of that money? You scam it away from me. Ashanti, me can make you pay back me $2,000 from the Zelle and the Cash App. Me now make you know what me I go do. Me have to get back me $2,000. You want bet say me get back me $2,000? Enough somebody come in here and tell me say me can't get back my money and me go straight to the bank and get back my money. So you know worry yourself. You know you just don't hear about it yet. Me can't get back me $2,000 from you.
Shit face Maxine pasta. We look for all the blood clot dinosaur. Sharky poops the stick. Grand picnic. The little sharky poops the stick.
That's Bella in the course.
Like a Bella or Bella. She look like she about 60 something to blood clot. She look all of them blood clot. With a couple of one named Kaka Eye. She look all of them Kaka Eye to blood clot.
I want myself to tape all them sitting here. Me I live in a donor house. And they watch me good. And they watch me sure. And you see, the people them not cash at me nothing, you know. But they say they go give him.
Maxine, a long time a man not ball for your own blood clot piece of ball. A long time a man not ball for your blood clot piece of ball. A long time a man not call out your name so like how you call out Janet. A long time. You can't show us every piece of this. Look back this. This a blood clot body, Maxine. This a blood clot body. Look on blood clot this. This a body. How are this? How are this? Look on this. When you get to the laugh. When you get to the laugh. When you get to the laugh. Get to the laugh. When you get to the blood clot laugh. When you get to the laugh, cause you think you are going to make money and we are going to make money over here today. Cause you think you are going to make blood clot money. Your blood clot life is so much people, over 300 people, over 500. But you are come on with your life. You must move out tomorrow into domestic violence. That little lion, blood clot, big pussy woman here when you're Maxine, faster Maxine, and this one. That little nobody, no teeth, no life, no way for blood clot live. I'm going to Jamaica and catch a donor blood clot yard.
I'm not here.
Don't know Maxine faster. Don't know. From the CL, don't know. How about that? You can't talk about pum pum. You can't talk about no woman.
I'm not here.
Bad blood clot you. You can't talk about no woman pum pum. Pick up pum pum. Shape what? Is it not nice shape people? I wanted that old fluxy from that woman there. I wanted that old from that flexy woman there.
Janice, a long time in the cuss the baby. A long time him and Lorraine they cuss the baby and nobody no see it and then still donate money and give him. Then still donate money and give him. And no want to tell me say me if you come out here and give a blind eye to why all them they cuss my grand picnic. You want to tell me say me no fi cuss from them granny go straight down to the dog what they have in their house? You no really want to tell me that? You no really want to tell me that after all I want to do to Bella?
One of them the right and none of them not fear. All of them blood clot real.
Listen now.
All of them no blood clot fear. If them the fear, them couldn't buy house. I'm not going to use them and buy house if them fear. Oh, cheap, oh, dog. Yeah.
When you listen this apart good, he go out a door like he go out a door and then he go play the tape. The tape when he had to show the back them cause on the live him I do right now, you know, really show the back them, you know. I want tape in the play. You go here when him chip in with the tape and make it look like he did it with the bag. You know, did it with the bag. And Janet bag them, I borrow the whole of them. He don't have none there. And here him a go on like say, here him a go along like say,